Hello guys, in today's tutorial I just decided to make a video explaining to you how to register or how to apply for the DV Lottery 2024 program. Okay, so the first thing to do, this is after you got your qualified picture, then you can go ahead. All right, so the situ web that we have to use today, that is the official situ web coming from the department, the DV Lottery program, is this one, dvprogram.state.gov. okay, so I already make it clear. As you can see, it's very clear, big on your screen. I'm just going to copy it and I'll open any browser. For today I'm gonna use the Google Chrome. This is the browser that I decided to use. You can even use any other browser, which is, as long as it's working, it's fine. You'll be good to go. So I'll come here all the way, and then I'm going to just paste the link that I copied there. And then once I pasted it, I can just click on enter for me to be able to open the form. It takes a few seconds. You can see this is the form which where I have to apply for the DV program. If you want to know more about the instructions as to how to apply, you can also do it on your own, but this link here, it gives you more instructions regarding the DV program. So we're not talking about instructions in today's video, and here down it speaks about, sorry for this disagreement. So here it talks about the photo example. I made a video explaining how to do, if you decide to get a picture yourself, you can use your cell phone to get a picture, or you can use a professional photographer to get you a picture. So that will be fine to go. You'll be good to go as long as the photo is qualified. You can go for it. But basically today, in today's tutorial, we'll be more focusing on the applying for the DV program. So once you got this page, you can just click on begin here. It for the DV program 2024 fiscal year. All right, so here it says that the entry form is prepared in 2 parts, one for the primary entrant and the other one for the derivatives. They say in parentheses, if any, because if maybe you are playing single, you don't have any child, then there's no need for you for these derivative instructions to be applied. All right, because you'll be playing as a single. And it says, it carries on saying, each part must be completed correctly and completely before going to the next part. After all parts are completed, the entry will be submitted to the DV 2024 processing center. Click the link below to begin the entry process. So the link below they are referring to it, this green button here. You just click on it. It's going to open this other page. So here you have to recapture, you have to capture or to exactly type this password the way it seems like. So if it's a bit tricky on your side, maybe you don't really see it nicely, you can come here. There's a little button. If you click here, it's going to change. You can see this one, it looks much better. You can see exactly what is written there. So let's go for it. It's C5 CCB. This is the one that appears there. So let me go to submit it. It's gonna take a few seconds to check if Alright, as you can see, so the information I put there was correct. So the first thing they want from you is to put the last name. The last name is the family name. As for this guy here, his last name is Moke. I know him very well. So his last name is Moke, and his first name, that is Jefte. Jefte is his first name. Let me do this. Okay, this is his first name. The middle name is Ngaka. This is his middle name. So if you don't have any middle name, it's fine. You can just tick here where it says no middle name, but this guy has it, that's why we did not check it. So his middle name is Ngaka. And if you don't have a first name, don't worry, they're not gonna make any issue with it, as long as the information that appears here is the one that appear on your passport. But this guy here has it, that's why we did not check that box. So the gender of this man is a male, he's not a woman. And then here, the birthday, you have to start with the month, day, and year. Okay, so this guy was born on the 23rd, which month? Let me quickly check. On May, that was May 1997. All right, he was born in 1997. That was the year. Yeah, it says the city where you were born. So you must be careful. It does not say, it says that enter birth city only. Enter birth city only. It's not about the district, the county, the province or state. It is about the city only. So this guy here, after asking me questions, he told me that he was born in Mombele. That was the city he was born. So Mombele is the city he was born. And if you don't know the city you were born, they will not gonna make any issue with it, but you have to tick here birth city unknown. It's optional kind of. They won't make any issue with it, but this guy knew his city where he was born. That's why he provided me with that city. And then this is a crucial question. They are asking you to put the country where you were born. This guy was born in the Congo, Kinshasa, which is the Democratic Republic of Congo. So it's this one. You must be careful when it comes to Congo, because there's two Congo. But he said that he was born in Congo Kinshasa. That's why we selected that one. So I just want to bring your attention on this particular space here, where it says country of eligibility for the DV program. So I'm going to make a video explaining this box here, why they are speaking about the country of eligibility. But for this guy, I'm not going to click on no, because the country of his eligibility is the country where he was born. But if the country of his eligibility was not the country where he was born, then I was going to provide you with some other explanations, which I'm going to do in the next video that I'll be publishing. But as for this guy, the country he was born, that is the country of his the country is claiming the eligibility to. All right, so I'll go down all the way, and then I have to provide the picture of this guy. So for the picture, you must make sure that the picture that you got it works well with the requirements when it comes to photo requirements. Okay, so I'm just going to click on choose photo, and then I'll locate where that picture is. Here's the picture of the guy. Just going to double click. As you can see, the picture now is on the form. So once you make sure that the picture has been selected, then you scroll down here, you come to the second line, you're going to select B parts where it says address line 1. Okay, so here I'm just going to provide the street name of this guy where he stays. He told me that the street name for him it's Ngaliema. That is his street name, and the street number, he says to me that it's 140. That is the street number. So street name and street number, you can put them together. That does not matter. And the city where he was born, that is the city. He said that it's Kinshasa. So for you, it might be something totally different. Just don't worry, put just the city where you were born. Actually, the city for him is not Kinshasa. The city, it's something else. The city for him is the town, so that is Mombele. All right. The city for this guy is Mombele. It's not Mbele. I made a mistake. It's Mombele. That's where he was born. That is the city where he was born. So the district for him, or the district, county, or province is Kinshasa, because Kinshasa is the capital city of Congo, the DRC, the Democratic Republic of Congo. And when it comes to port zone, here it's not a big deal, because most of African countries don't even have postal code or zip code. So if that it's also your case and you don't have a zip code or postal code in your country, don't worry, they won't make any issue with it. You can just tick this box here to say that it does not apply to you, because you are not in your country provided with those informations. Okay, now they are asking you the country of this zip code. Obviously is Congo here. I'm going to select Congo. Where is it? All right, Congo Kinshasa. So the next question, that is question number 9, it says country where you are living today, or country where you live today. This guy said to me, actually is living in Congo, so he's still living in Congo. But let's say that he was living in another country. So here in this space, he was going to put the address, or maybe he was going to put the country, the name of the country where he's currently living. Even though he's from Congo, Congo is the country where he was born. But if he's living in another country, he's gonna put the name of the country he's currently living. Why? Because the country where he's living, that is the country where, if he happened to be selected, that is the country where the appointment of his interview will be organized. So if he chose that he lives in Congo, if he happened to be selected, the embassy where his interview will be held will be Congo as well. Okay, so the country where you live is where the interview for you will be held. So for the cell phone number, we're going to leave it optional because it's not mandatory. When it comes to email address, this is something very important. I mean, it's not optional, it's mandatory. So I'm going to tap my email address here. So for the sake of not making a mistake, I'll please suggest you not to paste in actually it's not even going to allow you to paste and to copy and paste. They just want you to type it and to put the correction, that the information that is correct. But what is going to happen, maybe the Google might propose you to put some addresses there. If you are used to using same address over again and again, and this Google can even propose you to type your address, to select your address. You say it shows here, but please, I would suggest you not to go for that because you might make a mistake. It's good for you just to type the way it appears, the way you know it. Okay, I'm going to type this one and then gmail.com. So the level education of this guy is high school, is not a university level. So I'm going to select high school. If it was university level, I was gonna go for university degree or some graduate level courses or master's degree and so forth. But his highest level of education that he has achieved is just high school. So high school is the diploma that you get after you've completed your primary and your secondary level. So for have been studying for 12 years, you'll be given a certificate or a diploma for the effect of completing that level. Okay, so that's what is called a high school degree, as we know. And now it is about the current marital status of this guy. So this guy is single. That is why I'm going to come to single and select it. And then if you are divorced, you have to select this one, but you must make sure that on the day of the interview you provide the divorce certificate. If you are widowed, and then you have to select this one, and on the day of the interview you must provide the death certificate. But this guy is unmarried, so I'm going just to leave it as it is. Then I come all the way down. Now it's asking about number of children. So as for this guy, he does not have any children. If he had, let's say, 2, I would have wrote here 2, and then it was going to give him the possibility for me to declare or to put the information regarding the children. But he doesn't have any children. That's why I have to put 0. Once you realize that all the informations are correct, then you can go to continue. Okay, it says that at least one data validation error occurred on this page. Please scroll down to see the specific error messages. Okay, something went wrong. Let me see. You must enter a 1-2 digit birth month between 1 and 2. Oh, there's a mistake here. So instead of days I put month. So the month for him is 1-5. This is okay. The day is 23. The mistake was on this side. So if you made a mistake of this kind, the system won't allow you to proceed. We managed to fix it. I think now we can be able to go ahead. Then I come to continue. There we go. We move to the second part. So here it's all about checking if the informations that you have entered are correct, and then you'll be good to go. Let me check here. I can check. I think everything is correct. The photo has been received. This is the address for this guy, and cell phone number, it's optional, it is not being provided. Then the email address, it's very important, guys. Make sure that you put an email address you have access to. Why? Because you might forget your confirmation number, but when it's time for the results to be published, if the results are published and it happened that you forget your confirmation number, you can use your email to recover your confirmation number. That's the reason why I put only an email you have access to. Okay, I think now everything is correct. Then I can go to submit. For tutorial purpose, I'm just going to blur this confirmation number here because it's something that must not be shown to people. So guys, that will be the end of it. It's very easy, as you can see. In a few minutes, then you'll be able to apply for the DV Lottery program 2024. So well done, and good luck to you. Stay tuned. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that next time you can be alerted once I publish video. So see you in the next video. Bye.